In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can connect any broker to your MT4 or MT5 platform. Yo, what's up guys? As I just said, I'll be showing you guys how to connect your broker to your MT4 or 5 platform. I know there's a lot of videos like this out there, but I haven't made any yet, so yeah, let's go. So you need three things for this tutorial. You need your trading account number, your trading account password, and the correct server name. Make sure you guys have the correct server name. Yeah, just write it down. I won't be talking much in this video, so like, comment, subscribe, share the video also, and yeah, follow me on Instagram at fly like a phoenix. It's right here, or here, or here. Alright, I'll put it somewhere. Yeah, so let's go.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,